Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Python 3 version and which Python 3 so you know what the system provides. Next, install packages with your package manager. For Debian/Ubuntu use sudo apt install Python 3 venv build essential. Once installed, create an isolated environment with Python 3 mvenv. /env and activate it using source env/bin/activate. This gives you a clean workspace. Make sure to use the venv for project installs, so system packages stay untouched. Once your venv is active, manage interpreters and dependencies deliberately. You can install pyenv to test different Python versions. Pyenv install 3, x, y, and pyenv local 3, x, y set the project interpreter. Upgrade tooling with Python mpip, install upgrade pip setup tools wheel so builds behave predictably. Install apps with pips to avoid polluting venvs, and freeze project libraries with pip freeze requirements. TXT. Make sure path and virtual environment activation are consistent so the interpreter you expect is the one running. You finalize by running and optionally deploying your Python app. Invoke Python main, py or use Python m package, module for package entry points. For long-running processes, use systemd service files. For schedules, use cron with the right environment activation. Make logs visible and test the service restart behavior. If something breaks, first confirm you activated the correct venv, and that path points to the expected Python. Then run piplist and Python v to diagnose mismatched versions. This single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.